Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to solve quadratic equations simultaneously. Let's solve question number 7 of exercise 2.7. If you see, there is no whole square, so we'll just give the numbers, we'll do the equation as it is. This is going to be our equation 1 and this is going to be our equation number 2. So if you see, here we are having coefficient of x square as 1 and here we are having coefficient of x square as 5x square. Both terms are not same. Similarly, here we are having coefficient of y square as 2y square and this term is 1y square. So the two terms are different. So what we are going to do, we are going to make the terms same. So in order to going to make the terms same, we are going to multiply one equation with certain number. Let's make 5x square here and also here we are going to have 5x square. For having 5x square here, we are going to multiply the first equation by 5. So we'll write multiplying equation 1 by 5. So multiplying equation means we are going to multiply each term of the equation by 5. So it is 5x square, 10y square, and here we are having 110. So this is going to be our equation number 3. So now if you see, 5x square is here and 5x square is here. So the two terms are same. Now we can easily solve it. So we are going to write subtracting. Since the signs are same, so in order to change the signs, in order to eliminate these terms, we are going to subtract the two equations, subtracting 2 and 3. So 5x square plus 10y square is equal to 110. And the second equation will be 5x square plus y square is equal to 29. So while subtracting the equations, we are going to encircle the original sign and we'll write down the different signs here so that we can eliminate the terms. So if you see, 5x square will get cancelled by 5x square and our remaining terms will be, here it will be 9y square is equal to 81. And here we have y square is equal to 81 by 9, it becomes 9. And here we have y is equal to, since we just have to find out the value of y and not square, so we'll take square root on both sides, so it will become like this and y will be equal to plus minus 3. So you see, while we have eliminated the terms, so in order once we have eliminated one term, one variable, we got the value of the other variable, right? So for finding out the value of x, we'll use these two values, right? So let's write these two values. So for y is equal to plus 3, for y is equal to plus 3, for y is equal to plus 3, our x will become, we'll insert it any of the given equation. Let's say put in 1 equation, first equation what is x square plus 2y square is equal to 22. So we'll just insert 3 in y square. It will be this 3 times 9, 9 2 times is 18, and here x square is equal to 22 minus 18. Here x square is equal to 4, and since again we just have to find out the value of x, so x is equal to plus minus 2. So if you see, for y is equal to 3, we got the value of x as plus minus 2. Now let's write for y is equal to minus 3, or what is x? What will be the value of x? Again, we are using the same equation number 1. So if you see, we are having the square on y. So if you insert y is equal to plus 3 or y is equal to minus 3, our answer will for x will be same. Okay, this is a 9 is 18 and x square is equal to 22 minus 18. So x is equal to, you can say 4, and x is equal to plus minus 2. So again our ordered pair will become, for y was equal to minus 3, our x is equal to plus minus this. So we can combine these two ordered pairs, right? And we can write down in the solution set like, for plus minus 2, y is plus minus 3, right? Why? Because we are having square over here. So if you square plus 3 and if you square minus 3, the answer is same as 9. Okay, so this is the answer. I hope you understand the sum. In this sum, what we have done, we have eliminated one term. First, we have used the elimination method. We have made the coefficient same. Then we subtracted the two equations. And once we have subtracted the two equations, we got the value of the other variable. And then from the original equation, we got the value of the x and y. Okay. Now let's solve further one more question of the same type. Question number is 8. Let me write down the question. It is 4x square minus 5y square is equal to 6. And the second equation is 3x square plus y square is equal to 14. Right? So if you see, let's give the equation numbers. This is going to be equation number 1. This is going to be equation number 2. Again, we are going to use elimination method. For elimination method, our terms should be same. Here we have 4x square. Here we have 3x square. The terms are not same. Here we have 5y square. Here we have 1y square. So terms are again not same. So let's make y as same. So in order to have 5y square over here, we are going to multiply equation number 2 by 5. So we'll write multiplying equation 2 by 5, so that it will become, multiplying the equation with some number means we have to multiply the whole equation, each term of the equation with that number. It becomes 15x square plus 5y square is equal to 70. So this is going to be our equation number 3. Now you see we have 5y square over here, we have 5y square over here. So we can easily delete this term, right? And we are having minus 5y square and plus 5y square. So no need to subtract now. We'll just add up the two equations, right? Adding 1 and 3. It will become 4x square minus 5y square is equal to 6. And then 15x square plus 5y square is equal to 70. So just add up the two equations. This term will get cancelled. We are having 19x square is equal to 76 and x square is equal to 4. And when you take the square root on both sides, so it will become x is equal to plus minus 2. So we got the value of x now. So for having the value of y, for having the value of y, we are going to insert this value of x. So for x is equal to plus minus 2, we are going to have let's say insert it in, put in any of the given equation which you see it is easy for you. Let's insert in 1. So what was the first equation? Let me write it for you. It was 4x square minus 5y square is equal to 6. So since we are having whole square on x, so we'll insert the two values together also, right? Because if you take the square of plus 2, it is again 4. If you take the square of minus 2, it is again 4. So we can even collectively write it, right? So it will become 2 times 4, 4 times 16 minus 5y square is equal to 6. And then it will become let's say 16 minus 6 5y square, it will become 10 5y square, and it will become y square is equal to 2 y square is equal to 2, and once you take the square root, so it will become y is equal to plus minus square root of 2, right? So this is going to be the answer. Let's write down the solution set. Solution set is for x is equal to plus minus 2, y is equal to plus minus square root 2. So this is going to be the answer. This is, we have to write down the ordered pair, so it must be in the ordered pair form. Let me see, I have write down the previous, yes, it is, the previous one should also be in the ordered pair form. Okay, now I write down the, let's do one more sum, the same type. Okay, let me write down the question for you. Question number 9. 7x square minus 3y square is equal to 4, and 2x square plus 5y square is equal to 7. Let's give these equation as numbers, equation number 1 and equation number 2. So if you see, our terms are not same. Here we are having 7x square and here we 2x square, then 3y square, 5y square. None of the term is same. So in this case, we are going to multiply both of the equations in order to make one term same. Let's make x square as the same term, right? So we'll multiply first equation by 2 and the second equation by 7, so that we'll get 14x square. So we can write multiplying equation 1 by 2. It will be 2 into this thing, this whole equation. So we have 2 times 7, 14, 6, 5 square and 8. So we can make it as equation number 3. And we'll multiplying equation 2 by 7. 7 into this equation. We'll multiply each term of the equation by 7. It becomes 14x square, 35y square and 49. This is going to be equation number 4. So if you see, we are having now 14x square, 14x square. We can easily eliminate this and we are having plus 14. So what we are going to write? Subtracting. Yes, we need to change the sign. So for changing the sign, we are going to subtract 3 and subtracting 3 and 4. So let's subtract the two equations. And this, while subtracting the two equations, we are going to change the signs. We'll encircle the original signs. We'll change the signs. So 14x square get cancelled by 14. We are having minus 41y square equals minus 41, right? So we are going to have y square is equal to 1, and when we'll take the square root, we'll get y is equal to plus minus 1, right? So now for y is equal to plus minus 1, we are going to find out the value of x. We'll insert this plus minus 1 in our given equation number 1. So let's write for y is equal to plus minus 1. We'll put these values in, let's say, equation number 1. So it will be, let me write equation number 1 for you. 7x square minus 3y square is equal to 4. Why I am inserting both values together? Because we are having square on y, right? So even if we insert plus 1, even if we insert minus 1, we'll get same values. So we will have 7x square minus 3 is equal to 4, because square of plus 1 is equal to square of minus 1. It is same one, right? So 7x square is equal to 4 plus 3. It is again 7. And x square is equal to 1. And x is equal to, if you take the square root on both sides, you'll get plus minus 1. So if you see, for x is equal, for y is equal to plus minus 1, we get x is equal to plus minus 1. So our solution set will be ordered pair in the form of ordered pair plus minus 1 and plus minus 1. So this is the answer. So in these type of equations, we just have make the coefficient same, then we eliminated one term so that we got the value of the other variable, and then we sorted out the complete ordered pair. I hope you understand the sum. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.